3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Sending an email in Gmail is a straightforward process, and this guide will walk you through each step to make it easy. First, ensure you are signed into your Google account and navigate to Gmail. Once in Gmail, locate the Compose button on the top left side of the interface. If needed, click on the three horizontal lines to expand the menu and reveal the Compose option. Selecting Compose will open a new message window. Here, you will see fields to fill in for the recipient's email address, the subject of the email, and the main content area, called the body. Begin by entering the email address of the person you want to send the message to. You can include multiple recipients if needed. Next, add a subject line that briefly summarizes the purpose of your email, such as schoolwork or meeting agenda. The body of the email is where you write your main message. You might see additional features like a signature if you've set one up. Otherwise, this area will be blank. While writing your email, you can use various tools provided at the bottom of the message box. These include formatting options to style your text, options to attach files, insert links, or even add images to your email. These tools can be handy for customizing your message or adding supplementary materials. Once your email is ready to go, review it for any errors or missing information. Finally, when you're satisfied, click the Send button to deliver your email. The process is complete, and your message is on its way.